Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Are you someone who loves taking pictures? You love taking picture of yourself, you love taking picture of nature, you love taking picture of foods, you love taking picture of everything that you find amazing, and this is what you love doing. So right here in this video, I will show you on how you can use this what you love doing and you start getting paid for it. And I'll show you more than 10 websites you can get paid for it. So right now is the first website which is depositphotos.com. On this platform, you start earning with your photos, illustrations, and videos. And these are what you love doing already. And so this is another way for you to make an extra income on the internet at your free time, and you get paid 0.25 cents to $33 plus per photo, and you can make up to $30.83 on this platform, up to 64, and you can start as a beginner, as a designer, as an illustrator, or any other digital artist. You just go ahead to the website, you sign up, and you submit your image for review, and when it's accepted, you get paid directly to your paper. So right here is the second website, which is Dreamstime. So right here are the way you can go ahead, register on this page, and make sure the content you'll be uploading on this website are your own content, and make sure you meet up with the file requirement, and you can make up to 1.25 USDT as a registered user on this platform. You make up to 1.25 and earn maximum of 30 USDT, and you can also earn on the subscription fees and so on. So go ahead and upload your picture and you can make money on this platform. So right now I'm taking you guys to the third one, which is Stocksy for artists. So right here you get a fair paid as part of the creating community. As someone who loves taking picture, these are opportunities. You go ahead and you get paid for what you love doing. So you can get paid up to 50% from the regular purchases of 15 to 500, you get paid 50%, and purchases from 100 to 10,000, you get 75%. And make sure what you are uploading are your own. Go ahead and fill up the application form, click on apply now, just input your first name, your last name, your email, and your location, and make sure you are more than 16 years old. So then you can start to make money doing what you love. So right here is another website, which is Shutterstock. I'm very sure this website is actually common. We have seen so many pictures with a image showing Shutterstock. So how can you become a contributor? This is an opportunity for you right here. So you go ahead also and upload your own picture, and you make money getting paid for what you love. So these are the platforms that you can make money online. Right now I'll take you guys to another one because I still have more than 10 to show you right here. So right here you sell your photos online with your own custom store. Are you a business person? You have a business and you sell photos. You can snap your goods and go ahead and upload on this platform. And for each download on this platform, you get paid to your PayPal, Apple Pay, Google Pay, credit card, and so on. So every beautiful photo you can go ahead of your goods and upload on this platform, and you make money on this. Go ahead, register, and sell your photos here. So right here is a Getty Images. I'm very sure you actually know this because this is actually a common way you see. For every picture you sign online, you will see this Getty Images on each picture. So how can you also join them in uploading your beautiful pictures? So right here, go ahead to this website here. You will see the link in my description. Upload your own original content in this website here, and when people download it, you get paid directly to your PayPal account, to your credit card, and so on, and for the brand and global email. So right now is another website you can get paid for contributing your photos in your gallery to this website. Be sure you follow each process and meet up with the requirements, and you get paid to your wallet directly. And these are what you just have to do. Make sure you are uploading a high quality pictures on each of these websites right here. Go ahead on this website here, make sure you meet up the requirements, and you click on sign up, and you log in, and you start making money. So right here is alarming. So right here, to become a contributor on this website here, you register with your first name, last name, email, and this I'm very sure of what you already have. So just go ahead and click on this, become a contributor, and you make up to 50% of the exclusive sales on each sales, and you can make more than 10 USD dollar on this platform. So go ahead and upload this. So right now is another one which can make you to license your work, license your picture. You are selling your stock. go ahead and become a seller. Start distributing the picture, the beautiful picture you are keeping in your phone. Go ahead and upload it on this platform, make money, and you start earning more to your wallet. Make money every time you sell. Always keep your copyrights. Sell with Kitty, and these are ways you can make money doing what you love. So right now we take you guys over to another website where I will show you guys more ways, and right here is the number one website I actually want to introduce you guys, because right here in FakePix is actually have more downloads. For each download you get paid to your wallet. This is actually a stable income for you as someone who loves taking pictures, because over 60 million people visit this website daily. So you can see over 5 million of download a day. Uploading just 1 or 2 pictures here can make you a lifetime stable income. So go ahead, and also they have a referral program you can join about, where you can invite your friend and you also make money. You can become a brand ambassador for this, and you also make a fair pay on this platform. So go ahead and register. So right now is another website which is actually very common, is Adobe ID. So before you get started on this one, you have to create and register. Then you create an account using your Google or your Facebook. Go ahead and become a contributor also on Adobe ID. This can become a stable income. This ad platform, and this ID, the last one on my page here, is FOP. I'm very sure we all know that we can turn cash and videos into, and this website has been in business for more than 10 plus years. So, and they have paid out over 30 million USDT, which you can also go ahead and also earn. And these are brands that are hungry for your content. There are so many websites looking forward to so many pictures. You uploading your picture is another way they'll buy, and you get paid percentage, or you get paid full to your wallet. So these are what you can do. Go ahead and download, and let's make this money together.